Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm gonna present you one of my favorite cars, and this is the Mercedes-Benz S ClaSS W220. It's also in one of my favorite colors, Dark Greay Metallic. So let's go and take it out of the box. Finding a Mercedes W220 S Class as a car model, it's a pretty tough mission, and I was looking for one of these for a while. When I saw this one with these nice wheels, it's my favorite color, and also the windows are made to look like they're all tinted, and this adds up even more to the car. Right there on the hood, we can see the Mercedes-Benz emblem. Okay everyone, so this is gonna be the end of this Mercedes-Benz S Class video. If you like it, please consider subscribing. I'm also gonna check for links where to buy these and put them in the description for you. Thanks for watching and have a good one.